What's going on, everybody? Just give you a quick rundown of my Supra build and a little breakdown of the fuel system that will be going in here shortly and the parts that I have to complete it. I still need fuel line and some fittings and things of that nature. There is a shifter. It's not fully installed yet. I need to trim a little bit off the back so I can get this automatic panel to sit down and close that gap a little. There is the Haltech 3x5 keypad with the Haltech IC7 and the Mako Motorsports mount. Come around to the back, we have the Stroud parachute with the Titan Motorsports mount. I have the fuel tank dropped. I need to put a -12 bulkhead in it, which is right here, for my mechanical pump, which is this. And I also need to make a bracket to mount down there. Here's the part number on the mechanical pump. The Weldon fuel pressure regulator -12 in and out. There's the part number on that. And the Fuel Lab fuel filter -12 in and out, and there's the part number on that. Injector Dynamics fuel filter also. This will be a secondary fuel filter in black, and the ID 2600 injectors. So, and this will all be controlled by a Nexus R5. So just a little rundown. It is still a 3-liter. It is mainly H-Tough rods, CP pistons, stock port on the heads. It has valve springs, retainers, valves. BC stage 3 cams, Hypertune intake manifold. It has a Bullseye 76 mil with a Batmo wheel, a BP Autosport turbo manifold. It has the twin Turbo Smart electronic wastegates and a big catch can for -12s. I need to change these valve covers out. I have different ones that I'm going to be putting on. It has a PHR ABS delete kit, PHR coolant overflow radiator. Has a 5-inch ETS intercooler and a 14-volt alternator, an electronic water pump from Azir. This will be running I think it's a stage 3 ATF TH400 in a ATI Supra case. Let's see if I can get a shot of the case and the mount. I still need to measure out the drive shaft and get one made for it. And it is running a A G-Force 9-inch. G-Force Engineering is local to me, and they made a 9-inch kit, and I bought the trans and the 9-inch off of a car that was here. There's a local shop car to here, and it has the strange brakes all the way around. In the back. So I'll just keep updating as I go along. There's still a few things I need to tighten up on it. I still need to do the wiring on it. I bought a flying lead harness, so I need to pin out all my connectors and get everything ran for that. It'll go for the intercooler piping here shortly. These manifolds are just temporary put on. I still need to pull them off and put the new gaskets on. I just didn't have them when I dropped the engine in, so I was just anxious to see what the manifolds would look like in there. But here's the coil harness from Haltech, and that's about it. That'll pretty much wrap up the fuel system and a quick breakdown of my Supra build. So I'll keep updating as I go. Till next time.